Ever wondered how to bring digital avatars to life with just your voice and a few smart tools? You're in the right place. Welcome to the future of content creation, where AI talks, moves, and teaches just like us. In this series, I'll show you step by step how to create stunning talking AI avatars that will captivate your audience, boost your brand, or just blow your friends' minds. Let's dive in and make your digital doublespeak. Our journey begins by generating a realistic image for our avatar. Open your browser and search for Piclumen. Click the official site, piclumen.com. Once inside the dashboard, locate and click the Generate for Free button. A pop-up will appear. Choose to continue with Google for a quick login. After logging in, you'll land on the Community tab, showcasing thousands of images generated by creators worldwide. Click on the Create tab to begin your own design. Now, in the prompt bar, paste this detailed prompt. A stunning realistic 3D render of a 42-year-old Asian female speaker confidently seated behind a desk, wearing a sleek black turtleneck and silver earrings in a dimly lit studio. The lifelike features, including intricate skin textures and natural lighting effects, make the model almost indistinguishable from a real person. The serene backdrop of soft blue and red hues enhances the immersive atmosphere, while a professional microphone sits nearby. On the desk, a bottle and some papers can be seen. The speaker gazes directly into the camera lens, exuding charisma and authority. 3D render. Select the Flux model, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, and click Generate. Once the image is rendered, download it. This is the visual base of our AI avatar. To enhance the image quality for animation, we'll upscale it using Krea.ai. Search for Krea.ai on Google, sign up using your Google account, then locate the enhancer tool. Upload the image you just downloaded. Click Enhance, let it process, and then download the upscaled version. Now we have a crystal clear avatar image ready for animation. Next, let's bring this image to life using DupDub. Search for DupDub and sign up with your Google account. Complete the setup process to enter the dashboard. Head to the AI avatar section and upload your enhanced face photo. Crop it accordingly and confirm. You'll see your available credits. DupDub starts with 10 free credits. Now the image is ready for voice synchronization. For voice narration, we'll use the ultra-realistic voices of ElevenLabs. Log into ElevenLabs and explore their voice library. For this project, we're using Liang, a Chinese female voice that perfectly matches our avatar. Click Add and Use Voice. Now type your line. For example, "Hey, make sure you subscribe to the AI context." Generate the voice and download the audio file. Return to DupDub's AI avatar tool, upload the voiceover file, and preview the synced results. Click Generate Talking Avatar, and after processing, boom! Your talking avatar video is complete.
Hey, make sure you subscribe to the AI context. Hey, make sure you subscribe to the AI context. Hey, make sure you subscribe to the AI context.
Now let's clean up the video by removing the watermark using CapCut. Open CapCut on your PC and import the generated avatar video. Then import the original image you used in Piclumen. Drag the image onto the timeline as an overlay and resize it to match the video. Next, apply a mask, choose the rectangle option, and position the mask to cover the watermark area. Fine-tune the placement until the overlay blends seamlessly with the video. And just like that, the watermark is gone. Your avatar looks clean and professional. And there you have it. A fully animated, lifelike talking AI avatar using just a few free tools. From image generation to voiceover and animation, we've covered every step in the process. This method can elevate your content, branding, or storytelling game with minimal cost and maximum impact. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the AI Context for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.